Listen, you're staring at your car's clear coat right now, thinking about dropping like $500 on a professional paint job, right? But here's the thing. Most of those scratches, those swirls and scuffs, you can actually knock them out yourself for under $50. Seriously. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 best scratch removers that actually deliver results. And by the end, you're going to know exactly which one is going to be perfect for your ride. We're talking real testing, real results, no BS. Let's dive in. All right, number 1 on the list, Meguiar's Quik Car Scratch Remover. And look, if you've never done this kind of stuff before, this is honestly going to be your best bet. Here's why this product is so damn good for beginners. It comes with this special foam pad that literally just clips on to any regular household drill. That's it. You're just spinning a pad on your car. No crazy techniques you got to learn, no pressure management. You just let the tool do the work for you. The kit comes with the Scratch X compound. It uses micro-abrasive technology that breaks down scratches and swirls without torching your clear coat. And honestly, I was skeptical when I first got this. What's really cool about this kit is it comes with everything. You got the pad, the compound, a quality microfiber towel. You're not hunting around trying to find extra stuff. It's all right there. And the Scratch X formula, it's specifically built for clear coat, so you're not going to accidentally wreck your paint if you follow the instructions. Now, real talk time. This product works awesome on light to moderate scratches. If you got some crazy deep gouges or major damage, yeah, this is going to help, but we're not performing miracles here. You got a limitation there. Also, the foam pad's going to wear out after several applications. So if you're planning to do like multiple cars or hit the same spot a bunch of times, you're probably going to need replacement pads at some point. That's just the reality of it. But, and this is important, you're looking at like $25, right? For that, you're getting a complete system that would normally run you $300 to $500 at a detail shop. That's an insane value. All right, number 2 is the Chemical Guys C4 and P4 scratch remover. Now, this is a 2-step system, and that actually matters. The C4, that's your cutting compound. It's aggressive. It removes scratches, swirls, acid rain marks, even some etching. We're talking about sanding marks up to like 1200 grit, serious cutting power. I tested this with a dual-action polisher, and honestly, the results were noticeably better than single-step products. I had this test panel with some pretty visible swirl marks from terrible car washing technique. You know the type. Professional detailers across the country trust this combo, and once you use it, you understand why. You get one application that covers most of your car, and you're looking at a complete paint correction that rivals what people pay like $400 to $800 for at a detail shop. Now, the honest part, this requires more skill than some of the other options out there. If you rush it, or if you use too much pressure with a rotary polisher, you can actually create holograms or damage the clear coat. You gotta be patient. You gotta follow the technique. That's important. And here's the thing, this is a corrective product, not protective. Once you're done, you gotta apply wax, sealant, or ceramic coating for lasting protection. That's an additional step, potentially additional cost. Some people don't love that. But here's what matters though. You got moderate to heavy damage and you want professional level results. This is what the pros recommend. The combo pack gives you everything you need in one bundle. We're talking $40 to $50, and that's actually a solid value for this quality level. Moving to number 3, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Scratch Remover. Okay, so I gotta say this. Turtle Wax has completely reinvented themselves. This product is actually surprising, because of what people traditionally think about the brand. But this is an all-in-one solution. It corrects, polishes, seals, and protects all in a single application. You're not buying like 5 different products, just this one. That's actually pretty dope. It uses precision polishing platelets, basically advanced micro-abrasives that remove light scratches and swirls. But here's where it gets interesting. It's infused with silicon dioxide ceramic and synthetic polymers, so while you're correcting the paint, you're simultaneously building a protective layer. The water beading is ridiculous. I literally tested it and the water just pearled right off, like nothing I'd seen from a consumer product before. The ease of use is next level. You can apply it by hand or with a polisher. I tested both. By hand, we're talking maybe 45 minutes for a hood and 2 doors. With an orbital polisher, like 20 minutes. You don't need harsh buffing. The working time is long, so you're not racing against the clock trying to wipe it off before it dries. Also, the protection aspect, while it's impressive, it's not as durable as a dedicated ceramic coating. You're looking at a few months of excellent protection, not years. That's the trade-off for the convenience. But here's the value play. One bottle is like 20 to 28 bucks. You get paint correction and protection in one step. That's efficiency. You're spending less time, less money, and getting results that make your car look fresh as hell. Number 4, Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch Remover. One step means you apply it, and it does the cutting and polishing in a single pass. It's not as aggressive as the C4 and P4 combo, but it's way more effective than you'd expect for a one-step product, like legitimately. The technology is called diminishing abrasives. It cuts through scratches and swirls fast. Then the product literally transforms into a fine polish as you work it, so you get that compound effect without the two-step hassle. I tested this with a car with like 3 years of swirl marks from automated car washes. Not deep damage, just that cloudy look that makes the paint look dull and tired, you know? One application with a dual-action polisher. The time efficiency is real. Where the C4 and P4 takes like 40 minutes to an hour for a whole car, VSS knocked it out in about 30 minutes. Professional detailers use this for maintenance polishing between deeper correction jobs, and now I get why. Now, the limitation, though, it removes sanding marks up to about 2500 grit, which is light to moderate scratches. If you got deep gouges or severe damage, yeah, you're going to see improvement, but this isn't the product for that level of correction. You'd want something stronger. But the price point? 14 to 22 bucks for a 16-ounce bottle. Professional results without the professional price tag. Works by hand, works with any machine polisher, works on literally every vehicle type. Cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, whatever. And finally, number 5, Shine Armor Revive Scratch Remover. This one's for the person who wants to spend more and genuinely get something premium in return. Shine Armor's whole brand is about treating your car like something that matters, and this product reflects that philosophy. The formula creates minimal dust compared to other products, which means your workspace stays cleaner. Cleanup takes seconds instead of minutes. That might sound minor, but when you're detailing, that's actually a quality of life feature. I tested this on a car with light scratches and oxidation. The depth of the finish after polishing was legitimately impressive, like the paint had this liquid quality where it felt incredibly smooth to the touch. Now, some people might see that as upselling, and technically it kinda is. You're not getting protection built in like the Turtle Wax Hybrid. You're buying a corrective product and then optionally buying their protective product to seal it all up. Also, and this is real, you're looking at $30 to $40. That's the most expensive single product option on this whole list. Not everyone needs premium. If your budget's tight, there are solid alternatives here that'll work great. But if you actually care about your vehicle and want professional level results without the professional hassle, this delivers on that promise. It's easy to use, works on any application method, and the results justify the investment. All 5 of these scratch removers are linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.